Hey traders from around the world, it's Jeremy Alexander Newsom with Real Life Trading, and this is your May 2020 challenge. You got three: real life and trading. Here's your trading challenge. Really interesting and very difficult. I want you to place a 25-cent stop loss on one of your trades and see how much you can make off of that risk unit. 25 cents. Now this is going to be easy on something that's like a $6 or $5 or $10 stock. It will become a lot harder as the company and the stock is a little bit more expensive. So that's going to be your trading challenge. Your life challenge for the month of May. May is, of course, health and wellness month. So simply put, I want you to do something for breakfast that you might not have done before. I want you to be vegan before noon for as long as you can for the whole month. If you're willing to take me up on that, it's going to be a challenge for a lot of you, I know, but vegan before noon. So no eggs, no cheese, keep it light. If it's a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables, I actually have been doing vegan before noon since November when I was in Australia. And it's just a lot of fruit, peanut butter, apples, bananas, smoothie bowls, blackberries, blueberries, vegetables, salads. Anyway, take me up enough if you want. You don't have to, but that's, of course, the challenge for the month. Vegan before noon. And the real challenge, the physical one, the tough one, I want you to log 15 miles in the month of May, but only uphill. That's going to be the challenge. So you have to log 15 miles, but uphill miles only. Those are the only ones that count. So if you're going downhill, can't count those. You can only count 15 miles uphill, walking, running, biking. It's entirely up to you, but 15 miles, log them uphill. That's the month challenge for May, the real tough physical challenge. Folks from around the world, you rock, rocking the Brovid Beard 2019. You're amazing. Let's crush May together. Love you all.